I'm Raman Banot, and with me, Sunil Joshi.
Thank you, Raman. Good start from strikers. Absolutely. After 5 overs, 48 for 1. It's a good score, Raman. This is.
And they've got 43 of the last 20 balls in this partnership. Fantastic stuff. That's good bowling. Good comeback ball from Qayyum, who's starting a fresh over.
In fact, if you look at Qayyum, the previous over bowled really well. Deceived the batsman in the air, varying his speed. And now, the first ball, almost it got yorked. And see your bulldozer faces here. They are watching the proceedings of the this final. Live from Rajiv Gandhi International Cricket Stadium, Hyderabad.
The game that they played against the Mumbai Heroes seemed to be an aberration. Both teams getting over 100 runs. No other teams managed that so far in the tournament. It's well fielded. Will come back for the second. It's good running, 50 on the board.
Absolutely. It's a very good running between the wickets. Rajiv pushing himself. That's Kicha Sudeep, the captain of Bulldozers, encouraging the team, 2 finalist teams. Very important to be part of this setup.
Well, his team didn't make it to the finals this year. They've been champions twice, remember, the Karnataka Bulldozers. But his team holds the distinction of scoring the highest runs this season. 125 is what the Kerala Bulldozers, Karnataka Bulldozers got. And this is a stumping chance, gone a begging. Qayyum thought he had his man. The keeper fumbled it.
Another one, second time in succession. The previous over also Qayyum got Rajiv, but the keeper missed it. Again the keeper missed it. That's a good trap. He missed it nearly. That's an important wicket if you would have got it. These 2 batsmen from Kerala Strikers are the ones to be watched.
Can you lip read and understand Telugu, Sunil?
It's absolutely impossible.
I don't want to say that on an on-air broadcast, but I'm sure they weren't very kind words on Christmas.
That's another one from Rajiv. I'm sure here Qayyum is being very, very tactically he's bowling well.
You've got to give it to them. That 1 over for 23 was an aberration. Barring that, I think the Telugu Warriors have bowled excellently, and the fans are pretty happy with that.
Absolutely, the crowd has come all the way, to cheer the home team to win the championship again. That's the one from Arun. He missed it, and the fielder doesn't miss it. That's the celebration from Telugu Warriors. Qayyum finally struck.
Take another look at that dismissal. Again, slower delivery. He was through with the shot, got a leading edge. Vishwa, smart catch, and even better celebration. Yes.
Absolutely, if Sanju Salim, the man on the focused today, if Kerala Strikers need to win, this man needs to fire. And along with Rajiv, they need to put up a score close to 100, Raman. The Kerala Strikers coming for the first time in the finals of this CCL T10 Blast. They need to win this. They should get a good score to close to 100.
It's a smart move. Take the single, keep the strike. The set batsman. 6 overs gone. It's 52 for 2. Really need to get their socks up. 52 for 2, need to get at least 100, and that's possible. We've seen teams do that.
Absolutely, and these 2 batsmen are capable of it. And definitely we could see the winner's name in the list where Kerala can be written. These 2 gentlemen need to contribute for that.
It's good running. Maximizing the output. You've got to try and rotate strike. That's what Rajiv's done. If you can't get a boundary, look for a single. Don't play out dot deliveries. Remember, these two teams were the unbeaten sides. The Kerala strikers and their supporters in the dugout.
Absolutely. We see the Tamil Nadu Rhinos gathered here. That's the good try from Salim, trying to strike a big one. Raman, Kerala has to win this edition of CCL, this trophy, glittering trophy. They need to score at least minimum 90 to 100, anything between that.
You know, the other thing is, it's such a short format, Sunil. I do agree with you that at least about 90 or 100, because anything less than 90 and 1 over can change the game completely. We've seen a couple of big overs in the matches in the tournament where a 20-run over or a 25-run over has completely changed the complexion of a game.
What we saw yesterday, Varun Badola bowled for Mumbai Heroes. He gave 23 runs and changed the game for Telugu Warriors.
Outside edge, and that's going to be 4. Third man was up. These are valuable runs whichever way they come by.
That's interesting. See the boundary there, trying to hit over the covers, but went over the third man. Nevertheless, that's 4 valuable runs.
You can't set a field for this. This is a streaky boundary, and I'm sure Samrat will be a little disappointed.
More than disappointment, surprise as well. That's the Kerala dugout. You could see the bubbling faces from the Kerala strikers team as well, supporting their team.
There's no dearth of glamour, I can tell you that. When it comes to Celebrity Cricket League, it's a perfect mix of cricket, entertainment, stars from different film industries from across the country coming together on one platform. I think it's fantastic, this concept. Bala's looking a little worried, the captain for the Kerala strikers. He knows there aren't enough runs on the board.
They need runs, Raman. It's nearly 7 overs now. Yes, 59 for 2 of 7 overs.